Right guys, here we go. I've got my old inverter. If you remember, it stopped working on me. I've had it all fixed, it's been reconed, it's working fine. Problem was, it was the circuit board in it, the solder joints are dried up, which is what happens when it overheats, and he says, you know, and obviously cracked. So it's all been cleaned, refurbed, all done, and it's working fine. Obviously, as you know, I've already bought a bigger version now, so this one's going to be up for sale for a bit of money back. So this is the, is it kisae, you say it? Now it's a 2000 watt. It says 2000 watts on it. It's got a few bits and bobs on there. It does have the remote control for here, so you can have that set up anywhere. You've got plenty of wire, so that can be plugged in anywhere, and literally you just have it so it switches on, and you know, you don't need to get to that. That can be stored away. So yeah, it's fully working, 2000 watts, looking for around about 150. These are online up to 500 quid still, online. So I think the cheapest I found was 390 on something in a sale, but it was in America, so obviously that's in dollars, but the shipping would be silly. They're on eBay at 500 quid, 569 on the other one, Amazon. So, but I think you can still get them a bit cheap. But yeah, I'm going to be at the Overlander show, so this is why this video's on. So if anyone wants it and wants to put a deposit down, say, or pay me and pick it up from the Overlander show, quite happy to do that. So yeah, that's, so it is just basically just plug and play. Just plug your cables up there. But yeah, it's a cracking bit of kit. It's just now I've updated to a 3000 watt. I've got a lot more hungry, power hungry things. This is now for sale, to get some money back. So there we go, guys. Drop a message in the comments, and emails in there as well. If you're interested, let me know.